Many repair shops utilize a rush fee in order to avoid last-minute panic requests from walk-in customers. Or you have a priority client that you know will flip out because it took too long. Or the team didn't finish the day before because of additional problems or part needs ordered overnight. To prevent this to happen in future, we've introduced an option to mark repair tickets as high priority, making them stand out on your Manage Tickets page. Let's take a look at the process now. Let's say a customer walks into your store and says that their iPad Air 6 screen is cracked and needs the job done in the next 1 hour. To book a repair job and mark the repair ticket as a rush job, all you need to do is to press a few buttons. In this case, simply click on Tablet Repair, then click on Apple, then click on iPad 6. From this screen, you can select the issue with the tablet. In this case, click on Screen Replacement and click Next. Now, from this screen, you can select the parts you are going to use for your repair, so your inventory levels stay updated. Once you've chosen a part, click on Next. Here on the Details page, you will see a new option called Mark as Rush Job. Select this option. After you have filled up the form with the serial number, task due date and time, assigned it to a technician, and added diagnostic notes, click on Confirm. If you would like to add a rush fee to the ticket, we recommend adding a miscellaneous item as rush fee and ringing it separately so it displays as a separate line item. Now, if you would like to enter customer details, click on New and then add your customer details. At this page, you can enter your customer name, email, phone number, or complete address if required. Or you can also click on Search in case you would like to search from the existing customer database. You can search a customer by name, phone number, or email address. Now, click on Create Ticket, which will create a repair ticket. Send an email or SMS to your customer and technician, and mark the repair ticket as high priority. Your ticket listing page will now display iPad Air 6 screen replacement at the top at all times. RepairDesk gives you the ability to mark up to 10 repair tickets as rush jobs at a time. If you need to mark any ticket as a rush job, simply click on the high priority icon. When the ticket status is marked as repaired and collected, the rush job will automatically be unmarked. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing your repair business. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.